Here's another question. What does it look like on the day of my Roof Maxx treatment? What happens?
Yeah, great question. So pretty simple process. We're going to show up, get up on the roof, remove any debris, do our tune-up, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we apply the treatment. In and out on the average home, hour and a half, 2 hours. Very low impact. When we're done, rinse anything off of the garden hose that it might have gotten on. It doesn't stain things. It's not going to harm your lawn, your lawn or your landscaping. If it gets on the siding, it doesn't stain the siding. Gets on the concrete, it doesn't stain the concrete, right? We rinse it off the garden hose and it's fine. Within 30 minutes, the product in the summertime, within 30 minutes in the summertime, it's down in the shingles. Even getting into early winter, it's down in the shingles in 45 minutes. We can apply this product just over freezing. But it's down in the shingles, so it doesn't matter if it rains, it won't rinse the product away, is my point. So very easy to work with, very user-friendly, and very low impact.
When you talk about the Roof Maxx process and kind of how simple that is, I can't help but think of the alternative of getting a roof replaced. I mean, that's not a very peaceful or quick situation, is it? You've been in the roofing industry, you know how that goes.
Yeah, especially if you don't have the right company. But even with a good company, right? It's it's a few days. It's a lot of debris, tons of debris coming off the roof. Dumpsters, semis in and out of the driveway. Big distribution vehicles that are bringing those shingles and the materials in. So it's just a lot of effort to replace a roof, and then all of that debris goes off to the landfill and sits there for a few hundred years. So it's a lot of impact on the property, nails in the yard, and so forth.